Hello everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before we start the new letter, let's revise the previous one. Letter S. Letter S. Letter A. Letter A. Letter T. Letter T. Letter I. Letter I. I. Letter P. Letter P. Okay, now it's time to start the sixth letter of first group, letter N. Letter N. Let's start with the short story. Noddy and his friends went to the garden. They sat on the bench and watching birds and insects flying around. It was very peaceful. Suddenly, they heard a very loud and very nasty noise. The plane was flying overhead, making the nasty loop in the sky, making the sound like Yes, the sound of letter N is and the action of letter N is Okay, now let's see how to write letter N on red and blue line. Letter N. Letter N. Letter N. Letter N. Okay. Now listen the words corresponding to the picture. Okay. What's this? Nest. Okay. What's this? Pie. Is it related to letter N? No. So we cross out the picture. Yes. What's this? Net. Net. What's this? Neck. Neck. Okay. Now blend the words. Apple. Nap. Apple. Nap. Ant. Ant. Po. No. Pen. Po. No. Pen. Tin. 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 Okay. Now let's sing a song. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. So that's all for today. See you in my next video with the revision of this first group. Till then, bye. See you.